Welcome to science class. Dear students, today's topic is photosynthesis. So the first question is that what is photosynthesis? Dear students, this is the most important process for the plants because by this process they can make their food themselves. So this process is most important for all the plants. So the define of the photosynthesis is that the food making process of the plants is called photosynthesis. Next thing, they needed carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. These are raw materials that are needed by the plant for this process. So next question is that from where they get these things. The first thing is that sunlight. Sunlight is the basic requirement for photosynthesis because it provides energy for the process. Next thing, water. Water is needed and is absorbed from the soil by roots of the plants. Soil also contains essential nutrients. Next important thing is carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide from the air in the form of gas. So they take in this gas through the stomata in their leaves during daytime. Last important thing material is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment present in the cells of leaves of green plants. They have the ability to absorb energy from the sunlight. Now see this figure. This figure shows full reaction of the photosynthesis process. So in this figure, plant gets sunlight from the sun. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen and water. The plant draws up water and minerals from soils through roots. So dear students, there is a reaction is also which shows the full process of the photosynthesis. In this reaction, you see 6 CO2, that means 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O, that means 6 water. In presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll, they produce C6H12O6, that is sugar, plus release 6 O2, that means oxygen. So in next figure you see also 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O photosynthesis process products are C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. Clearly you can see in this figure reactants are 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus sunlight. Products are glucose and oxygen gas. Although this reaction is not in your 5th standard, still I want that you know about it. So by this reaction, this is clear that what are the reactants and what are the products of photosynthesis process. I hope that this topic is clear to you all students.